Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. So just taking a quick look at Polygon then on our daily time frame. As we could see, we did get a plunge, didn't we, a few days ago, which I actually missed this chart for a little while here, but you can see we actually got a nice sell-off here all the way down and touched our bear market range low. For the first time, we've actually made a new range low on the bear market, which is really interesting. You can see this was our first dip of our low down at around that 31.5 cent area. We've actually come down and made a new swing low on our bear market. So let me just move my Fibonacci here. I mean, these entries are getting ridiculous now, aren't they? When you look at the macro of what's happening in the actual crypto market right now, Bitcoin basically at new all-time highs again. You can see here the break, the retest, the continuation. Polygon, I think a big project that is going to come back around. Definitely looking at getting long, I would say here at these levels in terms of the sheer demand that we are looking for in this area. I've been accumulating bags of this for the long term in terms of spot, but I am thinking about getting a long position going in this area because you can see just how unbelievably oversold we're getting here now. These true bullish divergences coming in really interestingly and nicely, as you can see. Overall, I think this is going to be having a really nice time going forward as we do see a rotation of capital into the large cap altcoins. Polygon way too overextended to the downside right now and truly 10x back to the all-time high as well. Definitely something that I would be considering getting long on in this area. I think I might actually throw a long position on in this area, to be fair. Have a stop loss down here at like 25 cents or something, somewhere we haven't been in a ridiculously long time before this chart history even began. Looking to target back up towards maybe our 618 or towards the all-time high. This is looking like a really high probability trade to me, in my opinion. Overall, I do think Polygon and a lot of altcoins are going to come back around. The entries are looking juicy. Let's see what we can do. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. BitTrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing. Or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well. And like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.